Today I'm making air fryer potato chip crusted chicken. First I'm setting up my station, so on the first plate I have thinly sliced chicken breast. On the next plate I'm going to add some honey mustard. Then I'm going to add some crushed potato chips on the next plate. Now I'm going to take a chicken cutlet and dip it on the honey mustard on both sides, and then dip it in the chips on both sides and then put it on the plate. Then I'm just going to repeat the process with the rest of the chicken. Next I'm going to preheat the air fryer, so I'm going to put it on bake for 12 minutes at 350 and put the turn reminder on because we're going to turn the chicken halfway through. Now that the air fryer is preheated, I put a liner in and now I'm adding the chicken and I'm going to let it cook. Now the chicken is cooked halfway, I'm going to flip it over and let it cook on the other side. Here's an up close look at the potato chip crusted chicken.